guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp profile picture not showing problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, and then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Next, go to the storage. Here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, or turn the airplane mode on and off, or turn the Bluetooth on and off. And if it didn't work, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all your files in the media and the databases and the settings and the chats, the messages will be deleted. So be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.